Here, we'll delve into the numerous health benefits of cinnamon, including its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. We'll also cover how cinnamon can help lower blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and boost your immune system. The surprising benefits of cinnamon. Today you will discover why you need to add it to your diet today. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and join the very okay community. Very okay. If you love cooking, learning about food, and living a healthy lifestyle, then you're in the right place. Our channel features cooking tutorials, tips on healthy eating, and information about the benefits of vitamins and nutrients. So, if you're ready to start cooking up some delicious and healthy meals, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Cinnamon is a spice that has been used for centuries for its medicinal and culinary properties. While it's commonly used in baking and cooking, cinnamon also has a host of health benefits that make it a valuable addition to any diet. We'll explore the many benefits of cinnamon, including its effects on diabetes, and why you should consider adding it to your daily routine. Cinnamon is a spice that comes from the bark of trees belonging to the cinnamomum family. There are two types of cinnamon, Ceylon and Cassia. Ceylon cinnamon is known as true cinnamon and is considered to be of higher quality. Cassia cinnamon, on the other hand, is more commonly used in the United States and has a stronger flavor. 7 health benefits of cinnamon. Number 1. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect the body against damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to chronic diseases. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants that help fight inflammation and protect against disease. Number 2. Cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. This makes it a valuable tool for managing diabetes. Number 3. Cinnamon can reduce the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Number 4. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a risk factor for many diseases, including cancer, Alzheimer's, and arthritis. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of disease. Number 5. Cinnamon can improve brain function. Cinnamon has been shown to improve brain function and memory, making it a valuable tool for those with Alzheimer's or dementia. Number 6. Cinnamon can help fight bacterial and fungal infections. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties that can help fight bacterial and fungal infections. Number 7. Cinnamon may lower the risk of cancer. Cinnamon has been shown to have anti-cancer properties, making it a valuable addition to any anti-cancer diet. Cinnamon and diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic disease that affects millions of people worldwide. Cinnamon has been shown to be a valuable tool for managing diabetes by helping to lower blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity. One study found that cinnamon was able to lower fasting blood sugar levels by up to 29% in people with type 2 diabetes. Another study found that cinnamon was able to improve insulin sensitivity by up to 23%. Incorporating cinnamon into your diet can be as simple as adding a teaspoon to your coffee, oatmeal, or yogurt. You can also try cinnamon supplements, which are available in capsule form. How to add cinnamon to your diet. Now that you know about the many benefits of cinnamon, it's time to start incorporating it into your diet. Here are some ideas for adding cinnamon to your meals and snacks. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon to your coffee or tea. Sprinkle cinnamon on top of oatmeal or yogurt. Use cinnamon in your baking recipes, such as muffins, bread, or pancakes. Add cinnamon to your smoothies for a flavorful and healthy boost. Mix cinnamon with nut butter and spread it on toast or crackers. Other health benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon may improve gut health. Cinnamon has been shown to have prebiotic effects, which means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. This can lead to improved gut health and digestion. Cinnamon may have anti-aging effects. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your skin against damage from free radicals. One study found that cinnamon extract was able to reduce the signs of aging in skin cells. Cinnamon may help with weight loss. While more research is needed, some studies have shown that cinnamon may help with weight loss by increasing metabolism and reducing hunger levels. How much cinnamon should you eat? There are different types of cinnamon available, including Ceylon cinnamon and Cassia cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon is often considered to be the true cinnamon, while Cassia cinnamon is more commonly available in grocery stores. While both types of cinnamon have health benefits, Ceylon cinnamon is considered to be the safer option because it contains lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can be toxic in high doses. While cinnamon has many health benefits, it's important to consume it in moderation. According to the European Food Safety Authority, consuming more than 0.1 milligrams of cinnamon per kilogram of body weight per day can be harmful to the liver. For a 150-pound person, this equates to about 7.2 grams of cinnamon per day. It's also important to note that some people may be allergic to cinnamon or have a sensitivity to it. If you experience any adverse reactions after consuming cinnamon, stop consuming it immediately and consult your doctor. Cinnamon may improve menstrual pain. One study found that cinnamon was able to reduce menstrual pain in women with primary dysmenorrhea. Cinnamon may have antiviral properties. Cinnamon has been shown to have antiviral properties that can help fight infections, including the flu and herpes. Cinnamon is a spice that has been used for centuries for its medicinal and culinary properties. Its many health benefits, including its effects on diabetes and gut health, make it a valuable addition to any diet. To start incorporating cinnamon into your diet, try adding it to your coffee, oatmeal, or yogurt, or using it in your baking recipes. Remember to consume cinnamon in moderation and consult your doctor if you experience any adverse reactions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Very Okay, for more videos on healthy eating and lifestyle tips. Thank you for watching.